All right, today I have a GMC Sierra, and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the windshield wipers. I'm also going to show you how to turn on the windshield washer to wash the windshield. All right, let's get started. But before we get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of the GMC Sierra. In order to operate the windshield wipers, what I'll do is I'll look through the steering wheel, and you see this lever right here. Clever lever right here. You see this lever? This lever right here is for the windshield wipers, and also a feature for you to wash your windshield. In order to wash the windshield, or in order to use the windshield wipers, what I'll do is I'll have this knob right here. You see right here? I'm gonna go ahead. It's in the off position right here. Before it was in automatic. So I have it right here, and I'll go over the automatic situation as well. If you just want to wash it one time or wipe the windshield one time because you have some mist or spray on it, what you'll do is you'll take this part of the lever right here and you'll turn it towards you to where the arrow lines up with the one time. So watch this. One time. Look at that. Did you see what just happened? And after you release it, it turns off. That's if you just want to wipe it one time. Now, if you want to turn the windshield wipers on, you take this same lever and you'll turn it this way, away from you, this way. And you see these knobs or nudges, whatever you want to call them right here. This is for the automatic mode. And what happens is the windshield wipers will turn on when water is detected on the windshield. And so there's different levels of it. So this is the low, and as you go up, it incrementally goes up to a higher speed all the way until you get right here. Do you see this right here? Highest speed right here. All right, so low. This is automatic right here. All right, now if you want to turn it on to manual, you'll go a little bit higher. Go to a little bit higher. You see where it says low and high right here? I'll take it to the low, and that is the manual, and it is on. It does not need to detect if there's water on the windshield. And then there's the high, which I go right here, and that is the highest setting right there in the manual. Now, to turn it off, I usually keep this in the automatic mode to where it automatically detects water and then it'll turn on. But when you're ready to turn it off, you just take this lever and you go all the way back until this arrow lines up with off, like that. All right, so that is how you operate the windshield wipers on a GMC Sierra. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.